G'day everyone, Brendan here from Fleetwear. Coming to you today with a bit of hardware chat. We talk about lots of different solutions here in the business, but we talk a lot about our things like dash cameras and fatigue cameras and a lot of complex tracking solutions. But sometimes the simplest solution is often the best, and we've also catered for people who just want to know where their assets are. They may not care about things like engine hours or kilometres that have been used or driver behaviour. It's more about where's my asset and is it back where it should be, how long has it been away for. And so we've got this little ultra slim device here, which is very compact, very slimline, and can pretty much be attached to anything. The beauty of it is there's no wiring involved. You can literally attach it to any single asset. It's battery powered, so we can provide it to you with batteries included, just 2 AA batteries. And the batteries will last for up to 10 years, depending on how often the asset moves. So it's a long lasting solution, low cost entry point, and a really simple and effective way of getting insights into what your assets are doing, looking at utilisation and things like that. Some of the use cases that we've used this device for are skip bins, trailers, sea containers, caravans. So really any type of asset that's valuable to you and you want to know where it is and where it's been, we can provide this very simple to install, slimline device, easy to hide away, and gives you direct access to our tracking platform, our mobile app. So at any given time you can see 24/7 where your assets are and make sure they're where you want them to be. If this sounds like it might be able to help you out, I'd love to hear from you.